To change font size of transcribe text from live transcript feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcript and then tap open live transcript. Tap setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. To change the font size of transcribed text, slide the adjustment bar under text size to the right to display the text with a bigger font. You can choose this if you like to have a better visibility or legibility, or slide the adjustment bar to the left to display the text in a smaller font. You can choose this option if you like to display more text within a single screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.